Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best handsaws for cutting logs currently available on the market. Whether you're tackling a DIY project, pruning trees in your backyard, or heading out for a camping trip, having the right handsaw can make all the difference. We've analyzed these products based on their features, build quality, performance, and overall value to bring you this countdown. All the product links will be in the description below, so let's get started. Coming in at number 4 is the Rexbedi folding saw, featuring an 11-inch SK5 steel blade with aggressive, staggered teeth. This compact yet rugged tool is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Whether you're cutting dry wood for your campfire or pruning thick branches in your backyard, the Rexbedi folding saw is built to handle it all. The 7 teeth per inch TPI design ensures smooth and efficient cuts, even on branches up to 6 to 7 inches in diameter. One of the standout features of this saw is its folding design, which makes it incredibly portable and safe to carry. The rubber-coated polymer handle is not only ergonomically designed, but also ensures a firm grip in any weather condition. At just 14.4 ounces, this saw is lightweight but durable, making it a reliable choice for anyone needing a portable handsaw. While it excels in portability and functionality for smaller tasks, it might not be the best option for large-scale log cutting due to its shorter blade length. However, its aggressive teeth and sturdy build make it a great tool for bushcraft, camping, and general yard work. Pros include its foldable design, durable blade, and comfortable handle. On the flip side, its blade length might limit its use for thicker logs. In second place, we have the Bahco 1030-23 30-inch Ergo Bow Saw. This tool is specifically designed for cutting green wood, making it a top choice for gardeners, landscapers, and anyone working with fresh logs. The 30-inch blade provides excellent reach, and the innovative tensioning mechanism ensures the blade stays taut for straight, clean cuts. The lightweight steel tubing frame is both durable and easy to maneuver, even in demanding environments. This saw excels in tough conditions, whether you're out in the field or working on construction sites. The ergonomic design also makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, and its robust build quality ensures it can handle heavy-duty tasks without bending or breaking. On the downside, this saw is less versatile when it comes to cutting dry wood or smaller branches. It's a specialized tool, but for its intended purpose, it's hard to beat. Pros include its excellent cutting performance for green wood, sturdy frame, and ergonomic design. The only con is its limited versatility for other types of wood. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best handsaw for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next one.